STEELMATE TP-83 Ultra Professional Truck TPMS supports monitoring for up to 30 tires, full vehicle visibility, high pressure alert, low pressure alert, high temperature alert. Repeater equipped for full signal coverage, especially for vehicles over 9.6 meters. Set custom pressure limits with support up to 14 bar 2N1 psi. Intelligent trailer swapping. No reinstallation needed when changing or connecting trailers. Compatible with multiple external and internal sensors. Fleet management system for monitoring and control. Supports global 4G network coverage. Fleet management system display. Vehicle tracking. Organize and manage all connected vehicles. Alarm records. View and manage historical alarm notifications. Data analytics. Comprehensive fleet performance analysis with visual reports, including mileage statistics, alarm statistics, and stay point details. History track. Playback vehicle reads and travel history. Fence. Set virtual fences and receive instant alerts when vehicles leave designated areas. Tire management. Real-time monitoring of tire pressure and temperature.